Some early signs of pregnancy that you might notice during the second week include, missed period. If you're in your childbearing years and a week or more has passed without your period, you might be pregnant. However, this symptom can be misleading if you have an irregular menstrual cycle. Tender breasts. Hormonal changes can make your breasts sore and sensitive early in pregnancy. Nausea. Also known as morning sickness, nausea can occur at any time of day or night. Some women experience nausea earlier than others, and some don't experience it at all. Increased urination. Pregnancy hormones cause your body to produce more blood, which means your kidneys process extra fluid that ends up in your bladder. Fatigue. Sleepiness is a common early symptom of pregnancy. Mood swings. You might experience mood swings similar to those you feel before your period. Sensitivity.